This is an instructional video to show you how to use your Sno Express Teeth Whitening system with peroxide. The Sno Express Teeth Whitening kits have been created to allow you to achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home for a fraction of the price you would normally pay at the dentist. Contained in your kit you will find 3 whitening gel syringes, 2 comfort mouth guards, 1 blue spectrum 6 LED booster light, 1 mouth tray storage case, 1 remineralisation syringe, 1 teeth shade whitening guide, and 1 user manual. First you need to boil a kettle of water, then pour the water into a mug. Let the water cool for about 6 minutes, then holding the removable tab of your first mouth tray, lower the entire tray into the boiling water. Be careful not to burn your fingers. Allow your mouth tray to soften in the water for around 10 to 12 seconds. Then take the tray out of the mug and shake to remove any excess water. Now immediately place the mouth tray inside your mouth. You need to mould your mouth tray snugly onto your teeth. To do this, bite down gently on your mouth tray and gently press firmly against your teeth. Once you've completed this process, remove the first mouth tray and place the mouth tray into a cup of cold water for 10 seconds to complete the curing process. Repeat this process with the second mouth guard for your lower teeth. After the moulding process, you can cut off the removable tabs on your mouth guard. Before you get started with the teeth whitening process, you must first enable your LED booster light by removing the clear plastic disc inside or under the batteries. Then turn on the light by pressing the button on the front. Be careful not to look directly at the 6 LED light as they are extremely bright. Now let's start the teeth whitening process. The first step is to apply the whitening gel to your mouth trays. It's important not to apply too much gel, as over-applying will cause it to seep outside your mouth tray and onto your gums. With this in mind, we recommend you apply a spot of gel approximately the size of a match head into 10 spaces across the top and bottom of your mouth tray evenly. Next, insert both mouth trays into your mouth and press firmly against your teeth to ensure that your whitening gel is dispersed across the surface of all your teeth. Now we are ready to fit the LED booster light into our mouth and turn it on. Allow for a treatment time of 30 minutes. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy some much needed me time. After your 7th day treatment session, you will need to use the remineralisation syringe. When you finish your teeth whitening session, you will need to rinse out your mouth guards and dry them with a paper towel. Next, you will apply a string of remineralisation gel to the mouth guards. Then you will lock it into your mouth for 15 minutes without the LED booster light. The remineralisation gel will restore calcium and phosphate ions back to your teeth. After 15 minutes, remove the trays and spit out the remaining gel. Do not rinse out your mouth. It's important to refrain from any food or beverages for a minimum of 30 minutes. Would you like to whiten your teeth up to 6 shades lighter in just 6 days? Then try our Express Teeth Whitening Kit with peroxide. Sno Teeth Whitening. For a smile so bright, you'll need shades.